just a little extra. Now that I've looked at these motifs, I can see how they work. You've just got 2 clips either side, so if anybody else wants to get them out, you need to dig in just about here somewhere to release that motif, or to release that clip. There we go. And it comes out easily. Now to try and get the wheels off. I've used a centre punch to mark as close to the centre of that metal plug as I can, and I'm trying to drill it out. It'll probably make it heat up and it may actually melt all the plastic, but I'm going to give it a go. Well, that worked rather like I expected. As I was drilling through these, they heated up and they loosened and they spun round, and I was able to actually pull them out at the same time. Don't know if that makes any sense, but these are what I expected. They're ribbed. Those are not screws, that's not continuous thread, that's ribs going round, parallel ribs. So they're the wheel's put on and then that's pushed through and that holds in there. So we've got them off. So whether we want to still use these as wheels, it would be nice if we could use them. But at least we know we've got them off. I'll have to go up to the workroom next, I think, to try and figure out putting steering on here and a drive motor.